Hey guys, it's Shay with Victorious 11 West Collection, and I wanted to come in and say thank you so much for following and liking the video. And I do want to ask that you make sure you subscribe. I'm not sure how I'm going to do the videos, if it's going to be every week or whenever a new product come in and I want to advertise it, just so you guys can see, can keep up with what's going on. Also, I want to say I know that some of you were probably like, why did they put something out there with no sound, but just the video? I wanted to do that to just kind of see how things went. I thought it would be a good idea to just drop the name, at least have the name out there, start getting the name out there. But I thought it was a good idea. But anyway, I do want to say again, thank you so much for watching the video. Again, I'm not sure how often I'll be putting videos out there. I think it's a good idea to, once we get new items in, to kind of drop them and show them so you guys can see what's out, what's new. You can check us out though, ahead of time on the number 11 west.com, and we're also on Instagram. You can pull us up online under Victorious 11 West Collection as well. Just give us a thought. Let me know how what you think about some of the items on there. I do know that most of the items are, kind of geared towards people that has locks, people that have locks. So it was my initial thought, process to put my product out there, and just kind of see, let people see what I've done and just kind of see if anyone is interested, of course, to go ahead and purchase it. So there are also some items on there. Coffee mugs. I just added an activewear online. So go check that out. I think it's pretty nice. You guys let me know. And tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I'm open. Again, you can check us out at Victorious 11 West Collection. You can also pull us up, the number 11 west.com, and see what you like. Sorry for all the noise, but yeah, I'm outside. I love outside. So you probably hear hammers and the waterfalls, birds or whatever, but sorry about that. But I love being outside. I thought it would be a good day to be out here. But again, check us out. Thanks, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe also. Thank you. Talk to you later.